Let's go!
Blessed Trinity is 3, Thompson is 2, Cartersville is number 1. Now in class
Here we go,
5
boys.
and 10,
Let's go. Here we go, Big Red.
Thomas County Central is 6,
Let's go, Big
Youngstown
Red.
is 6, Hamilton 5, Williston is 4, Carrollton 3, Beaufort is 2, and Stockbridge is
Let's
number
go,
1.
Dog.
Class 6A, here's the way it looks this week. Creekside at 10, Harrison at 9,
Let's go, Big
Lake
Red.
County at 8, Tucker is 7, Grant County is 6, Northwood is 5, Sullivan 4, Valdosta 3, Northside, Warner Robins is 2, and Houston County is at number 1. In the Swiss Marcus classification, in Class 7A, Brookwood is in at 10. They'll play Colquitt County tonight. At 9, it's South
Let's go,
Forsyth.
Red.
It's Lowndes. At 7, it's Newton. Those two will meet tonight in Valdosta. At 6, it's Lassiter. At 5, McKeeter. At 4, Norcross. At 3, Grayson. At 2, Roswell. And at number 1, Mill Creek. That is your Georgia Sports Writers top 10 teams poll for this week. Now let's take a look at the Class A top 24.
Alright, I will.
I paid my cards and I didn't fold, but it ain't
Lose, baby.
now and face the sun. Hide back till eternity.
They're black, by the way.
Let me know. We gotta.
If you are the parent of a senior football player, cheerleader, or red coat, and you're participating in the
I got all the answers to your questions. I'll be the teacher.
Lane Adams. Lane is the son of Alan and Tracy Adams and is being escorted this evening by his parents. Lane has played the positions of wide receiver, punter, and corner. After graduation, Lane plans to play baseball at the collegiate level. Thank you, Lane. Luke Anderson. Luke is the son of Michael and Amanda Anderson. He's being escorted this evening by his parents. Luke has played the positions of outside linebacker and wideout. After graduation, Luke plans to attend Georgia Southern University and major in middle grade education. Thank you, Luke. Tavion Ashley. Tavion is the son of Tiffany Trowbridge and Alex Ashley Jr. He's being escorted this evening by his mother and his aunt, Annette Ashley Toby. Tavion has played the positions of wide receiver and defensive lineman. After graduation, Tavion plans to attend college or join the Army. Thank you, Tavion. Sebastian Benton. Sebastian is the son of Carly and Bradley Benton. This evening, he is being escorted by his parents. Sebastian has played the positions of outside linebacker and long snapper. After graduation, he plans to attend college at Georgia Southern University. Thank you, Sebastian. Jimmy Edwards. Jimmy is the son of Roberta Edwards and Jimmy Edwards. He's being escorted this evening by his parents. Jimmy has played the positions of middle linebacker and halfback. After graduation, Jimmy plans to attend college. Thank you, Jimmy. Bryce Harrison. Bryce is the son of Dennis and Ginger Harrison. He is being escorted this evening by his parents. Bryce is the assistant athletic trainer. After graduation, he plans to attend college to become a teacher and a coach. Thank you, Bryce. Mark Johnson. Mark is the son of Alexis Johnson and the grandson of Sheila Johnson and Bobby Brown. Mark is being escorted this evening by his grandparents and his mother. He's played the positions of quarterback and wide receiver. After graduation, Mark plans to attend college to play football. Thank you, Mark. Jason Lowe. Jason is the son of Angela and Derek Lowe. He's being escorted this evening by his parents. Jason has played the positions of nose guard and strong guard. After graduation, Jason plans to attend college to major in computer programming. Thank you, Jason. Orrin Morgan. Orrin is the son of Stanley and Deidre Morgan. He's being escorted this evening by his parents. Orrin has played the positions of defensive end and long snapper. After graduation, Orrin plans to attend college. Thank you, Orrin. Cameron Panic. Cameron is the son of Kelly Panic. He's being escorted this evening by his mother. Cameron has played the position of center. After graduation, Cameron plans to attend Georgia Southern University to become a history teacher and a coach. Thank you, Cameron. Carson Roberts. Carson is the son of Reggie and Carmen Roberts. Carson is being escorted this evening by his parents. He has played the positions of outside linebacker and offensive guard. After graduation, he plans to attend the University of Georgia to pursue a degree in pharmaceutical and biomedical science. Thank you, Carson. Galen Salem.
Hey, Galen.
Galen is the son of Dolly Smith and Wesley Salem. He's being escorted this evening by his parents. Galen has played the positions of middle linebacker and tight end. After graduation, he plans to attend college. Thank you, Galen. Ladies and gentlemen, it is customary at this time for us to dismiss the football team so they can join the rest of their teammates in the field house. Please give them one more round of applause. Carly Claxton. Carly is the daughter of Avi McCumber and Mickey Claxton. She's being escorted this evening by her parents. After graduation, Carly plans to attend Georgia Southern University to pursue a degree in nursing. Thank you, Carly.
We love you, Carly!
Catherine Domingo. Catherine is the daughter of Winston and Stephanie Domingo. She's being escorted this evening by her parents. After graduation, Catherine plans to attend the University of Georgia to major in pharmacy. Thank you, Catherine.
We love you, Kat!
Bryson Fitzgerald. Bryson is the daughter of Becky Fitzgerald and Brian and Kendra Fitzgerald. She's being escorted this evening by her parents. After graduation, Bryson plans to attend Georgia College and State University to become an occupational therapist. Thank you, Bryson.
We love you, Bryson!
Kara Elaine Hayes. Kara is the daughter of Lucky and Michelle Hayes. She's being escorted this evening by her parents. After graduation, Kara plans to attend Valdosta State University to become a physical therapist and to compete on their competition cheerleading squad. Thank you, Kara.
We love you, Kara!
Cheyenne Elizabeth Kelly. Cheyenne is the daughter of Everett and Stephanie Kelly. She's being escorted this evening by her parents. After graduation, Cheyenne plans to attend Georgia Southern University to pursue a career in occupational therapy. Thank you, Cheyenne.